Well, hello everybody. I hope everybody's having a good night. Got a couple of things that really floored me today. Just kind of, you know, can't believe people call for some of the things that they do. And people don't know how to use equipment in their cars that is meant to be used, because when you go have a vehicle inspection, that's one of the items they check to make sure that it's working properly. Alright, issue number one is, as you all know, today in my intro video, I told you all I was in law enforcement. Well, I'm sitting in the office today talking to the administrator when the phone rings, and she hangs up after talking to this person for a few minutes, and she kind of rolls her eyes. I was like, what is it? She says, they called to report a shark in the water. Oh my God, are you serious? There are actually sharks in the water. You gotta be kidding. Come on, people. You all know there's sharks in the water and what you need to do if you see one. And trust me, there are a lot you don't see. So here's the thing. If you see a shark in the water, common sense will tell you to stay out of the water. Don't call the police. I mean, there's nothing that we can do. You know, he's not committing a crime, and I sure ain't going in after him, I can guarantee you that. So, next time you see a shark, don't call the police. Chances are we are not responding unless somebody has been injured. Yeah, I don't know what compels people to think because they see a shark in the water they have to call the police. You know? We don't regulate fish. We're not Marine Patrol. So, don't call us. And issue number two. There is this thing in your vehicle that is put in there for a reason. And when you go have your vehicles inspected, it's checked to make sure that they're working properly. And they have to be for you to pass inspection. It's called a turn signal. I don't know why people have an issue with trying to, not using their turn signal. I think it was about 3 times today I got behind cars who all of a sudden they wanted to turn. Next thing I know, I see brake lights and they're turning. People use your turn signal. It's right there on the left-hand side of your steering wheel. If you're going to turn right, you push it up. If you're going to turn left, you push it down. It's not that hard. Your hand's right there anyway. Just up or down, left or right, whichever. But they're put in there to let the person behind you know what your intentions are. We see brake lights, no turn signal. So, and then next thing you know, you're turning one way or the other, and that could cause an accident. And you could be charged for that. So, people, you need to learn to use your turn signals. Okay? That's a good way to get rear-ended. I don't know. It just seems like every little thing was getting under my skin today, and that was two of the main things. The shark call and the turn signals. So, people, common sense. If you see a shark in the water, don't call the police. And people, please use your turn signals. Okay? Well, that's all I'm going to rant about tonight. So I hope everybody has a nice evening. And I'll be talking at you later. Have a good one.